Hello everyone, I'm Franco Silvestri from Argentina. I'm 15 and welcome to my final project for the CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. To start, I'm going to log in with a user who can only access to the e-commerce. So here I am in the index page of the website, which shows many things about the product. For example, those which are in offer. You can also see that you can search a product by its category and by its name as well. So I'm going to start by clicking an offer, for example, this one. So here you can see that it shows some details about it and the option to add it to the cart as well. So as it is 0, the system doesn't let me add it to the cart. And if I go over 22, a message appears. No more stock available. So now I'm going to add some new items to the cart. For example, this one, I'm going to search anti and I'm going to add one nasal antibiotic, and I think that's okay. Raw material, well, this is unavailable in this case. And now I proceed to show you the cart functionalities. Here you can see all the items we've added to the cart and some details about them. For example, the quantities. And here you can also see the total, and of course you can do the checkout. So we proceed to do the checkout. We click, and now you'll see that the cart is now empty and that the stock has decreased. This was 2, now is 1. The same happened to it. After the purchase, the system sends the user an email with the details about it. So here it is the email that the system has sent. And it shows the total and the quantity of items and the individual prices. But in this case, they aren't with a discount. So that was everything related to the e-commerce. And now I'm going to change the user, which has higher privileges, who can access to the product administration. So now you can see that we are in the same exact index page, but with a new section, which is called production. Now here we can see many different things. For example, the products in general. In this section I can do many things with them. I can add a new product, I can search by any characteristic. I can also filter them by all active and inactive. And what I mean by active and inactive is that if the product is active, it will appear in the e-commerce. Otherwise, it won't. And then in the table, I can edit, activate, or deactivate a particular product. So now to show you, I'm going to do some things with products. Finally, I'm going to show you how to activate or deactivate a particular product and the effects that it has on the e-commerce. For example, this one, as it is active, it will appear in the e-commerce. There you can see. And now I'm going to deactivate it. And you'll see that it won't appear. There you go. And to finish, I'm going to reactivate it. Now you'll see that it's going to appear again. There it is. To finish the project explanation, I'm going to show you the mobile responsive design.